everybody thinks the market's rigged and they're not going to win and it's a casino and all that stuff. And I've heard it all, right?
Sure.
I've heard it all. And I don't consider it a casino. I don't consider it rigged. I consider it manipulated. And what I mean by that is like for me, the market moves on news.
Yep.
So like stock isn't going to move very much unless somebody's buying it or there's some sort of news that comes out that's going to push that either higher or lower, or it's just the general market itself is going lower or higher.
Yeah.
So what I come across is a lot of people that, I don't know, they have $25,000. Somebody just got some money somehow, some way. Maybe they got like an old 401k and they just left their job and they're like, okay, well, this is my opportunity to make $1 million. Everybody wants to make $1 million, right? And like from your aspect, I know from my aspect in capital management, it's really, it's not impossible. It's just really difficult with 25,000. Like you have to kind of like temper people's expectations a little bit.
For sure. I mean, what I've noticed is that the people that actually have less seem to be unhappy more of the time. And the people with more money are satisfied with less. Like Warren Buffett said something along these lines where he says basically, and I don't want to butcher his words, but he basically said like, as long as I can take a little bit of risk with a lot of money over and over again and just keep compounding it, that's worth it to me. Whereas like these people with $5,000, they want to get to $100,000 by the end of the year. And I'm like, if you start with $5,000 and you're hoping to get to $100,000, is it possible? Yes, but not without a lot of risk. Right? So like you can't have it all where you're like, I don't want to lose money, but I also want to make $1 million. Well, like I think Chris and I can both speak for ourselves. Trading aside even, our lives were not built to the level that they are without a lot of risk.
Yeah.
And you've told stories about going bankrupt. I've been close to bankrupt. And it's because we had to play the game the hard way until we connected with the right people to become successful. And that's why we're where we're at today, in my opinion.
Yeah, even the best stock traders blow up our accounts. Like I blew up my account the other day just trading options, and I was just so far out on margin that I couldn't reel it back. I blew it up.
Yeah,
gone. Right.
Yeah.
And like you walk away, and some of the best traders like that I follow have blown up multiple accounts. So like that isn't really a thing or something to really worry about. But when you're very defensive and you're going into the market expecting just you making, 250% on your money, you gotta have to have some sort of expectation that you may end up losing some money,
sure,
if not all.